Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm sitting on my dresser, by the way. Today I do my DIY video where I give my bathroom a makeover for under 80 bucks. So everything I got was super affordable. If you didn't catch my last video, go and check that. It's my haul that I just posted last. And I go over everything I bought for my bathroom and the prices that I paid. So if you're interested in seeing where I got everything, go check that video out first and you'll see where I got everything. And yeah, today I show you what I did and how I kind of set everything up. So if you're interested in seeing a bathroom makeover, then just keep on watching. So this is my bathroom now. Oh my god, excuse the mess, but as you can see, the rod is pretty rusty. So as you guys can tell, there's no real theme going on in my bathroom. It's just kind of all over the place, and my wall is like a little bit burnt, so my dad did repaint that. So we're gonna get started. We're gonna start off by cleaning, just taking everything out of the shower and the cabinets and stuff. My nephew is helping me, if you guys are wondering who that is, my nephew Sergio. So we're just cleaning and just taking things out of the bathroom that doesn't belong there at the moment. So now I'm just placing the shelving unit that I bought on the wall right above my toilet and just trying to center it. And now I'm going to go ahead and place everything that I bought on it, trying to find the perfect spot for everything. And this is the final product of how my bathroom came out. I really hope you guys like it as much as I do. It looks just very different, even with the small details of the things that I got. Remember to check out my last video, which is the haul that I just posted, to see where I got everything to create this bathroom makeover for under 80 bucks. I really appreciate you guys watching this video. And yes, I just love how everything looks. It just ties together perfectly. Alright guys, so that completes this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed the makeover of my bathroom. Let me know if you guys enjoy this type of videos. I know my filming process wasn't the best, but this is my first time ever filming something like this. So yeah, I tried my best, so bear with me on my journey. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy the process. I love how the bathroom came out. I really enjoy how everything just like tied perfectly together the way that I envisioned it. Yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.